First of all, thanks for this opportunity. We are really thankful to IVCA. Just a quick 30-second on Bharat Climate Forum and what we are up to there. Since start of this year, we all collectively, this community of practitioners and us, have started championing clean tech manufacturing agenda in India. Fortunate for us, Bharat Sarkar has launched National Manufacturing Mission, which clean tech is very much at the center of it. Since then, we've been trying to build domestic or indigenization pathways for various clean tech sectors. Batteries being one key component, both the static, the utility scale, but also for EVs. And the work which our partners Trilegal have done here is, again, trying to solve for the tax issues which bring down the cost. Essentially, we are looking at competitiveness of our manufacturing. If we can't compete, we would be out of the race. So what collectively we are championing here is increase of domestic value addition of all clean tech components from solar to transmission equipment, batteries at the center of it. Moving forward in coming months, we're going to host Bharat Climate Forum again on 9th of Jan. You all are welcome. Essentially, together, we're going to put an implementation plan with a hope that government, its line ministries, and more importantly, private sector will take up the recommendations and expedite the manufacturing agenda in India. Thank you.
Thanks. Quickly on the key takeaways and the asks in the report, I think the context for this report is that we have huge potential for battery manufacturing in India with increased investments in solar and EV technologies. Battery storage is quite critical. When we look at the current market, in 2017 when GST came in, the main focus was around enhancing lithium batteries because that was the most popular technology at that point in time. Now we have better advanced cell chemistries coming up, which include sodium, multi-ion, zinc. Now the policies are still a little skewed. For instance, if you see lithium batteries were taxed at 18%, at 18% versus other lead and non-lead advanced cell chemistries being taxed at 28% GST earlier. In the recent reform, both have been brought down to 18%. But there is still a lot of arbitrage because you've been treating sodium akin to lead as opposed to treating it akin to lithium. There is scope for reducing BCD from 15% to 5% and making sure that the tax policy is technology agnostic, which is what we have done in the PLI scheme. And this should bring in more investments for manufacturing batteries in India and make sure that we have a share in the global battery production market as well. So look, feel free to download our report and thank you everyone.
Anyway, great. Thank you for doing this together. And hopefully, as the pre-budget sessions are on, we're able to make a differentiation and put our submission in, and they'll listen to us. Yeah, cheers. Congratulations, guys.
Many congratulations. I think this is easily one of the most important moments of day 2 of our Green Returns Summit. Because the launch is clearly here to redefine the clean tech battery future, not just analyzing the sector, but also clearly making a tax and policy roadmap for the sector ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a better round of applause going into the next segment, please?